BDO Debit Card Activation Guide. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you BDO Debit Card Activation Guide. First, open your BDO Online App on your phone. Wait for the app to fully load, then log into your account using your username and password. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap More. This will open the menu section with different account services. Next, in the menu, find and tap Manage Cards. This option is used to control your debit and credit card settings. After that, select your debit card from the list of cards connected to your account. Now, look for the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Tap it to continue. The app may ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes. You may need to enter a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered mobile number. For example, your OTP may look like 482913 or 761235. Enter the code correctly, then tap Submit or Confirm. After that, wait for the confirmation message on your screen. Once you see the card is activated, your BDO credit card is now ready to use for ATM withdrawals, shopping, and online transaction.